The ratcheting spring clamp from Bessie is a great option for when you want to clamp firmly and quickly. It's also great for those times where you don't need the strength of a bar clamp, but something just a bit more than a traditional spring clamp. The ratcheting spring clamp from Bessie offers a heavy-duty resin construction as well as a two-part non-slip comfortable handle. The non-marring clamping pads have multiple grooves, allowing you to hold dowels of different sizes as well as other odd shapes. And since the clamping pads are riveted, you won't lose them, but they'll also pivot, allowing you to do non-traditional clamping. One of the best uses of these ratcheting spring clamps is when you quickly need to set up a stop block. I go the additional route of putting sandpaper on the back, and that way, with an extra click or two, that stop block isn't going anywhere, whether it's for a single cut or 100. Whenever I need to quickly clamp something that doesn't need a ton of clamping pressure, the XCRGs are the ones that I reach for. They come in two sizes, with the larger having a 4-inch clamping capacity as well as a 3-inch throat depth. I like the fact that I can apply just a bit more pressure with 1 or 2 clicks. And the swivel pads, well, they make sure that I can clamp things even when they're not flat, square, or rectangular.